Hello guys, how are you? Now I would like to talk about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? How many types of Bitcoin? How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows to peer-to-peer transaction without the need for intermediaries such as banks. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. In this article, we will explore what Bitcoin is, the different type of Bitcoin, and how Bitcoin works. Then, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transactions without the need for intermediaries such as bank or payment processors. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is the public ledger that records all Bitcoin's transactions. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical algorithms to validate and transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly created bitcoins for their efforts, which are in the market, which are then circulated in the market. Types of bitcoins. Bitcoin is the original and almost well known from the Bitcoin. It is the most widely accepted and traded cryptocurrency and has a current market cap of over $1 trillions. Bitcoin BCH. BTC is the original and most well known for from the Bitcoin. It is the most widely accepted and traded cryptocurrency and has a current market cap of over. Bitcoin Cash is a fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2017. It was created to address some of the scalability issues with Bitcoins, allowing the faster and cheaper transactions. BSV. Bitcoin SV is an other fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2018. It was created to increase the block size limit to accommodate more transactions and improve scalability. Litecoin. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google. Miners use specialized hardware and software to solve complex mathematical algorithms, which validates transactions and add to the blockchain. As reward for the efforts, miners receive newly created bitcoins, which are then circulated in the market. Bitcoins is a decentralized currency, meaning that is not controlled by an central authority or government. This makes it resistant to government intervention, censorship, and inflation. However, it also makes it more volatile and subject to picture. Bitcoin transactions are secure and anonymous, but they are not completely anonymous. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain and can be traced back to sender and receiver. To increase anonymity, users can use third-party services such as Mixture or Tumblr to mix their coins with other users' coin with other user coins. Tumblr to mix their coins with other users' coins. Calculations. Bitcoin is decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks. It operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is the public ledger that records all Bitcoin's transactions. that records all Bitcoin's transactions. There are different types of Bitcoins including BTC, Bitcoin Cash (BCH), Bitcoin SV, Litecoins and ETH. While Bitcoin offers many benefits, it is also subject to volatility and price.